हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वाइब्रेटिंग डी हिम्टा। मैं आज के इस वीडियो में आपको इंग्लिश ग्रामर से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बताने वाला हूं बिकॉज these are such questions which plays very prominent role in our competitive examinations. Viewers, we all are aware that question come from grammars includes part of speech, narration, voice, antonym, synonymous, homophone, homograph, paranym, and is the case with the other aspect of English grammar where we study the voice of animal, birds, human, and their residents and how are called their young one and what are the different voices they create. Viewers, if you want to know about our today's topic, stay with me till the end of this video.
यस व्यूअर्स, हम आज की इस वीडियो में एनिमल्स की साउंड के बारे में बात करेंगे. स्टे विद मी टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो बिकॉज इस वीडियो के अंत में मैं आपको वो साउंड बताऊंगा विच इज़ मोस्ट रिपीटेड इन द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट. एप्स. एप्स किस तरह की आवाज़ निकालता है? वो जिबर करता है. बैट स्क्रीच, बियर्स ग्राउल, बीज हम एंड बज करती है. बर्ड्स चार्प, chirp, tweeter, tweet, sing, whistle. Calves bleat. Camels grunt करते हैं. Cats meow, purr, meow, hiss, yawl. Cattle moo, low, wow, calf, wallow, wool. Sound of chicks are cheep, chickens, cluck, cackle, cooks, crow, cows, low, moo, crickets, chirp, crake, crows, cow, deers, well, dogs bark, dolphin, click, donkey bray करते हैं. Doves coo, ducks quack, eagles scream, elephants trumpet or roar, flies buzz, hum, foxes bark, yelp, simper, frogs croak, giraffes bleat, goats bleat, geese cackle, quack, grasshoppers chirp, hares squeak, hens cackle or cluck, hogs grunt, horses neigh, snort, whinny, nicker, hummingbirds hum, hyenas laugh or scream, jackals howl करते हैं, kangaroos chortle, koalas scream, bellow or wail, lambs bleat करती है. The sound of the lark is sing, barber, lions roar, growl, mice squeak and squeal, monkey chatter, gibber, whoop, screech, mosquitoes whine, nightingales pipe, sing, warble, ostrich chirp, bark, hiss, low hum, owls hoot, scream, screech, shriek, oxen willow or low, parrot talk, screech, squawk, peacock scream, pigs snort, grunt, squeal, oink, pigeons coo, rabbits squeak and drum, rats squeak, ravens croak, rhinos bellow, rooster crow, seagulls scream, squawk, seals bark, sheep bleat, snakes hiss, tigers growl and roar करते हैं, vultures scream, whales sing, wolves howl, cry, yell, zebras whinny. Yes, these were some important animals and their sounds. Now is the time to tell you most repeated animals sound in our competitive examinations. These are dog bark, duck quack, snake hiss, jackals wolves and fox howls, owls hoot, donkey bray, frog croak, camel grunt, sheep goat giraffe bleat, mosquitoes whine, cow moo, bee fly hornet hum और buzz करती है, cat mews और meow, cricket grasshopper locust chirp, crow raven rook, cow eagle screech, elephant trumpet, mouse and rabbit squeak, hyena laugh, monkey scream, pigeon coo, lion roar and horse snort. These are some important sound produced by the animals.